Tonight, with a new twist in the bribery trial of former Honolulu prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro and several campaign supporters.
Violations of a court protective order reveal information that could be damaging to the defense. Our chief investigative reporter Lynn Kawano has tonight's top story.
Transcripts of grand jury testimony was leaked to people not involved in the trial. Now the judge has called a special hearing to address the violations. A stunning new court filing in the federal criminal trial involving former city prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro and 5 employees of engineering firm Mitsunaga and Associates, Inc. The government told the court they recently learned of multiple violations of a protective order, including the circulation of confidential grand jury transcripts.
So they come under protective orders. That way the witnesses feel a little bit safer also, but it protects the integrity of the process.
According to the filing, recently an underlined grand jury transcript was delivered to an upcoming witness by an MAI firm employee during a meeting designed to convince that witness to change those parts of his grand jury testimony for trial, testimony that would be seen as damaging for the defense.
Obviously, if there's a violation of the protective order, there's going to be a question: was it intentional? Was it reckless? Was it negligence? That makes a difference in terms of your responsibility for what happened.
Kaneshiro is accused of prosecuting Laurel Mao for felony theft in exchange for campaign donations from MAI's firm employees. Mao, an architect, was fired from the firm for moonlighting. She later filed a civil discrimination lawsuit, which she lost. Revealed in the new court filing, at that discrimination trial, former HPD officer Rudy Alvarado admitted that the firm's attorney, defendant Sherry Tanaka, coached him to lie about Laurel Mao under oath on the stand in 2014. Alvarado was, according to the court record, willing to lie at the civil trial to help defendant Dennis Mitsunaga because of their longtime business relationship. At the time he testified in the civil trial, Alvarado did not consider his false testimony to be a big deal because it was a civil case, not a criminal case.
Whether the government can introduce what happened as part of this trial, because if you try improperly to influence a witness, that's considered evidence of guilt. And so the government's certainly going to try and ask the court to introduce new witnesses and evidence as to what happened here.
The judge could punish the defense team because of the leak of the grand jury transcripts. The hearing is set for Tuesday morning before the jury is brought in. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.